leopard print, a floral print, a bandana print if you know you gang banging. Hey guys, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel for another video. As you can tell, my hair is done. I'm all did up, so you already know that this is about to be a hair review. Shout out to Vivi Babi Wig for sending me over this headband unit, and if you want to know all the details, then of course just keep watching. So for this front perimeter of my hair, I'm going to take my Even New York 24-hour edge control and slip down my front edges. I just keep them satisfied. This stocking cap doesn't really serve a purpose other than just keeping my hair back because it's not braided. I had my front out for a different type of style, but that's not important. But if you have a headband wig, of course you don't necessarily have to have a wig cap, is basically the point I was trying to make. So this comes with the attached headband, and you have the Velcro straps in the back and a comb in the back and in the front as well to help you place your wig. And I would definitely say that this is big head friendly. It's almost too big for me, so keep that in mind. I'm definitely loving the curl pattern on this. This is Brazilian Kinky Curly. I have it in 16 inches and 180% density. I love this, so cute. In the box with the unit, they also sent over some headbands, leopard print, a floral print, a bandana print if you know you gang banging. Since this is a bit big for me, I just kind of crisscrossed the straps in the back and tucked it under the comb that's attached to the wig. So there is a way around it to get it to work, and I still feel like the wig is pretty secure. I just keep them satisfied. The headband wig is perfect for the lazy girl who likes to get up and go like me. Just slick back your edges, or not. You don't have to do that either. Throw on a headband or use the headband that's attached and you are ready to go. Especially for all my fellow nurses out there who have to be at work at the crack of dawn. We don't have time to be bothered with hair, but we still want to look decent when we get to work. This is perfect, and you can do different styles with this. You could put it all up into a ponytail. You could wear it in a half up style. You could put all the hair up into a bun. Pretty much any look that you're thinking about doing, you could definitely pull it off. As I manipulate the hair and run my fingers through it with these different styles, I'm not getting a terrible amount of shedding, just a few hairs here and there. There goes one hair right there. I don't even think you guys can see that. And this is what I've lost altogether. So I would say that's pretty good, not bad, especially for the price point. So If you guys enjoyed this video, of course, give me a thumbs up. I will have all the details and links to this unit and hair Vivi Babi in the description box. Thank you so much to them for sending this over to me. Hit the red button to subscribe and join the mafia, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.